Hi, so I went ahead and just got the mobile app installed. So just did this for the first time, so it's all pretty fresh for me too as I'm doing this. So it looks like pretty simple setup so far. A couple things that allows you to do: you add your charger to the app, configuring your charger, some good capabilities as far as configuration, charger settings, which I'll play around with. Also the ability to remotely control the charger, which I'm really excited about. That's not something that's always very easy with some of these chargers, so I'm looking forward to the ability to test that out. Also paper charge, so you can give this access to other people, so it's a nice capability just depending on your setup. Charge a neighbor, why not? Be nice. Other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So it's asking for some permissions, so I'll go ahead and set that up. Here you can see I have the charger installed in our little mobile test lab right here. So just simple setup. I use the included NEMA 1450 plug just for simplicity. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this powered up for the first time. We can check it out and see how how it works. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in for the first time. Now I went ahead and got the two numbers on the side of the unit. Go ahead and add it. Now it's been successfully added. So there it is. It shows the charger is available. It's connecting right now. Synchronized, connected. Pretty simple. This is exactly how much time I put into it. So it's pretty straightforward. Looks like I can lock it, unlock it. You can see it changes colors there in the background. So it goes yellow. It's pretty cool. Lets people know if you can use it or not. It looks like we got the timer to allow you to control usage from a time perspective. Looks like we also got some test settings up here. And as far as connectivity, advanced options. So pretty cool. It's got some charge management capabilities, the ability to protect it and lock it, connectivity controls, Wi-Fi, Ethernet. And then here we got some of the details about the charger. I can set it up for 40 amp max current. And MAC address, pretty straightforward. Installation options, it's ready to go. So it's straightforward. I like it so far. Here I'm gonna go ahead and click. It shows that it's available. I can add additional chargers. So straightforward so far. I'm gonna go ahead and get her plugged in to the car and the ability to start to see how she performs.